Hi there, my name is Bart Myers. I'm the founder of Countable. Today we're going to go through a few of the options that are available to make sure that the IRS has your information for your economic stimulus check and or direct deposit, and where you can check on the status of that and how you can update that. I'm going to share my screen and take you directly to that page, which we'll provide a link for here in the video as well. So the IRS is going to be handling the bulk of the payments. So if you're already filing your taxes and you already have direct deposit and e-filing for your taxes, it's likely that you will be receiving your stimulus check and or payment here very soon. You may have already. But if you want to check on the status of that, if you want to update it, if you want to change your bank account information, et cetera, and if you don't file taxes at all, this is the site you need to go to do all of those things. It's important to recognize that the fastest way to receive your stimulus check is going to be through direct deposit to your bank. And so having information about your checking account number and your routing number, which is on every check, will give you an opportunity will give you the information you need to be able to put in for that process. So we're going to go through both flows here briefly. I'm not going to go through the full process, which will get into your personal information and confidential information. You should do that on your own. If you're a filer, you want to check your payment status or confirm the payment type and or put your information in. You click on this left section here under Filers, Get Your Payment. You click on Get My Payment. From there, you get another page where you're going to want to do the same thing. Once again, click on Get My Payment. And then you go into a form and a digital process. So this is important. This is where you're actually going to be putting in your social security number, date of birth, etc. I believe that this information needs to match, ideally, the information from your tax returns. Go through that process, and therein you can check the status of your payment. You can update the information around your payment, and so forth. It's a handy site. It is under a lot of load right now, so be patient with it. And please let us know if you have any issues encountering that. The other path here is for non-filers. And so there are, if you are not filing taxes or don't have, for whatever reason, don't have that information electronically uploaded, there's a second path here, which is non-filers enter payment info here. So that on that page, there's some additional information that you're going to need. So you're going to have a social security number to be able to be able to apply and get that payment. Your income needs to be under certain limits, etc. So a lot of the same information that's required on the other side. From there, pull together that information just as you would if you're a current filer and click on this Enter Payment Info here button. Take note, there are some special requests and requirements here that you may need to be able to have available, including, again, your banking and checking information. So you click here, you're going to go to a site, freefilefillableforms.com. This is official and affiliated with the IRS. This is actually run by Intuit, who does TurboTax. Here you're going to need to create an account. This is the first step in going through this process and providing that information. Creating an account is going to require you to have a valid email address, create a user ID, and then come up with a password. Once you've done that, then you can go through the process of certifying who you are and putting in your information. I hope this is helpful. Please let us know. Give us any feedback that you have and any ideas for other videos like this that we could be creating, which could be helpful for you all in this time of significant challenge. Please be well, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.